Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. It's Thursday. Unemployment claims data outcome today at New York Open. What's up, Christian? Yeah, good. And how about you? That vortex behind me want to stay on the wall. It's trying unglue all the time. I need to fix it every day. It's boring. Just chilling at home, no trades this week for me. Okay, we'll break down yesterday entry out of zone. But first let's look at the unemployment claims outcome. A bit lower than previous, but it's still very high number if we compare it to the last weeks. It's literally growing, slow growing, and it's 1k more than forecast, but unemployments are growing, so it can be negative for the dollar. We'll see. In the long term, future data will be for the next week will be interesting. If we grow up around 230k or above, then we can see a trend to the upside. And tomorrow is a bank holiday for China and also bank holiday for USA. So tomorrow can be pretty slow day for the markets. Tomorrow is something like a chill day, maybe no trades, consolidate. I guess it can looks like that for tomorrow. But today, let's go to the markets. Oil yesterday just do nothing. That was oil. Just slowly falling down. Nothing crazy during FOMC. Whole market survive the roller coaster. First Kevin Walsh speech, but oil was chilling. And skip my zone again. Give me pullback, bro. Still expanding to the downside. Imagine this position. If someone holding this position. Yeah. I thought market open can give me a pullback on oil, but oil just decide to dump after market open. Here, just dump after market open. Give me pullback, man. I still wanting to see oil shorts into this level. We'll see, we'll see. DXY. Yesterday we talked about the setup. We talk about breakout here. If it's a break up without any break of structure to the downside, you can expect liquidity sweep here. That was liquidity. Dollar already swept it. That red candle printing very big volume. So maybe we're going for the counter trend. And I want to see takeout liquidity here, here, or here if we reverse. But that liquidity will be super good as the first target and potential for reversal. Yeah, dollar hit the target, swept the liquidity, and now I want to see bigger pullback on dollar. Exactly on point yesterday, 1 to 5, if you manage this trade correctly. And that one, 1 to 20 from 1 month ago. Come on. Here also we calling a setup here. Yeah. Maybe let them distro on 4 hour. But if he fully reverse, I will not surprise. Overall, I just want to see deeper pullback below this liquidity, below this box, and continuation here. So now I want to see deeper pullback, liquidity sweep, and continuation to the upside for the macro trend. Same as expect from merge. And even beginning of this year, you know, after this liquidity, I was just doing live stream for the private group at the beginning of the year, but then we go for the YouTube streaming, and then I'm still calling that idea. But that sweep spring was very nice. Okay, let's check gold. Gold daily. Engulfing volume, engulfing candle, EMA 20. Daily looking like want to continue downside. For our big volume week. Bigger volume here will be better than this, but that was FOMC, so it's hard to push above. Yeah, but what happened on gold yesterday? 3-minute chart, we dip into the zone. 3-minute engulfing candle with break of structure, engulfing volume on the same candle. Everything inside the zone. You open your position, and at least I want to see target somewhere here or here, but at least that was 1 to 5, so not bad. Higher time frame looks like want to dump. Lower time frame not look super good for now. I can't see any entry. We are still inside the zone. You know, you can try break of structure inside the zone, but it's becoming high risk because we are very long time in this zone and there is liquidity building to the downside. Rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So once it can just break it to the downside. When we got this structure like pattern like this, when price trending to the upside and reject, going lower, reject again, maybe lower low, back and reject again, maybe higher low, reject again. What do you think? What will be next direction? Downside or upside? Downside or upside here? Up, exactly. Usually this pattern with equal highs and random bottoms giving us breakout to the upside. Because sellers holding the price. Sell, fail. Sell again, fail. One more time, sell. Fail again. Sell, fail, and then sellers are done, buyers won, and fly again. And we can also do the same for invert. Can I invert it? And when price going down, trending to the downside, reject again, maybe with someone that can be break of structure, but it again unregular highs. So once it just break that equal bottom and continue falling. That's the basics from market structure patterns. Yeah, you can screenshot it. You can screenshot it, remember that pattern and this one. 5 seconds for the screenshot. If you didn't do that, you can do the replay. So what we can see now, market trending to the downside, printing equal bottom, but unregular highs. What giving more chance for the direction? Which direction had more chance with this pattern? Downside. With this pattern, downside have more sense because buyers can't hold it for infinity, you know. And as we see, it's just breaking to the downside and trying to push lower. But we are inside the support zone. Tomorrow is bank holiday. We got 5 hours to market close. I will just skip it, don't touch it. For me, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not buying here, I'm not selling, because that's risky, and I see literally two sides when I look at this market pattern. I see sells have sense because we can see this pattern, and buys also have sense because we are inside the support zone. So maybe it push a bit lower and go higher. Yeah, this is possible. For me, tricky spot to trade gold, and if this is Tuesday or Monday or even Wednesday, I will probably trying to buy above this liquidity. You know, if this is Tuesday or Wednesday, I will try to buy above and sell below. But we have Thursday, tomorrow bank holiday, so I recommend to not touch it. And overall, we had our lower zone for 4-hour range. So maybe gold is just trying to get there, reaccumulate. That was imbalance candle, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, zero imbalance here. Yeah, some zeros. Fib level, volume range, a lot of confirmation for this zone. So if gold break it to the downside, I will wait for this slight pullback and selling it into lower zone. Inside lower zone, looking for buys. What time frame you can support this the best? What time frame you can spot this the best? You mean that pattern for the structure? On every time frame. Every time frame you observe the structure will be good. And that pattern is usually for trending market. When you see consolidation after explosive move. If you see it randomly, don't think it's magically reverse or something. It's a continuation pattern, you know. Yeah, this is continuation pattern. And every time frame you can watch this. Here we can see 3 minute or 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minutes also. Here we got 4 hour. Here 4 hour too. Yeah, that was probably lower time frame also. Here daily or something like that, probably because we got also equal highs. with irregular bottoms. Here, 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 here. Irregular bottoms and equal highs. That was probably daily. So on every time frame you can watch it. Every time frame you are interested in, you can watch it. Down we go, 4K incoming. Yeah, possible. Daily looks like want to sells. Daily looks like want to make a lower low. With dollar upside, gold can be go below 4K. I'm not surprised. And from daily perspective, yeah, it's looked like want to go lower. But we got that 4 hour and zone here. So I will looking for something inside. If not, hard upside, then maybe pull back into higher zone. But I guess some buys can come inside this zone. Tomorrow, Friday, bank holiday, so chilling. Maybe barbecue or something. Oh, nice. Yeah. Enjoy your time out of charts, and then at weekend find some time for backtesting. Silver, just react and stop loss. GG. S&P, react but nothing crazy. Oh, it's going down first. Yeah. Into the zone. S&P go into the zone and react as a gold. Nothing crazy to the upside. Out of zone. 5 minutes break of structure here. 3 minute break of structure here. 2 minute break of structure here. And 1 minute probably also. EU hit the first target. Oh no, that was final target. Yeah, that was final target for EU. Beautiful. GU, look at GU. GU almost full target here. What we calling for long time. And finally, it's about to hit this target. We know the direction, that was possible setup, and beautiful move to the downside. Even with lazy style, one to 5, 1 to 6. Nice. CHF climbing. Same as dollar. Yesterday we calling it from here to the upside. Bitcoin. Very close to the sell zone. I'm waiting for that 50k. Come to me, 50k. Come to me. Yeah, on daily looking good, also EMA 20 reject. 60% waiting for you, Bitcoin. Come to 50k. I'm 40 overall now. 60 is still waiting. Yeah, and oil. Maybe oil gave us finally some pullback. Will be nice. Come to Papa. Yeah, 50k will be fire. And everything below 50k is hard discount zone for the Bitcoin. Everything below 50k is hard discount. Super cheap. It's like a Black Friday for the Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be enough from me. We talk about everything. We got the bank holiday tomorrow, so I will be not super focus on execute anything. Let it be. Take a long weekend. Take a rest. Be ready for Sunday, for market open, for next week. And let it be for the rest of the day and for tomorrow. Let it be. And at Sunday we'll see what happened on gold. Now maybe we got more clean situation at Sunday open. I will be not surprised if we just consolidate till weekend, you know. I will be not surprised if we do consolidation inside this zone. If geopolitics didn't hit, tomorrow volume will be poor. Because China is a huge player, but banks holiday. America, USA is a biggest player, but bank holiday. So two biggest players are out tomorrow. So better make a barbecue and be happy with your friends or family. And back at Sunday. Yeah. So that's gonna be it from myself for today. For the rest of the week, we see again at Sunday. Take a rest, enjoy your time, and have a good rest of the week and good weekend, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy your time.